Get ready for the best attraction in Kuala Lumpur. You've never seen anything like it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go! Tolak. We're here in possibly one of the best places to go to when you're in KL. This is the KL Bird Park, Kuala Lumpur Bird Park. Fake. Super duper legit real. Just so to demonstrate how close I am with these creatures here. This is me. This is a bird. This is another bird. Fuck. No. Buddy, this isn't food. This is called a microphone. Oh my god, are you serious? That is not a plant. That is a bird. Oh my god. Oh my god. Seeing a peacock flock its feathers like that, like a crown, for that long. That's so surreal, man. Oh shit. That's so surreal. That oh, okay. Not a bird. You ain't ready for this. You ain't ready for this. Oh. If that doesn't make you feel like flying, I don't know what will. Pun! I'll see you in the next one.